Hi there, and welcome to another tutorial. If you're liking these tutorials, please remember to subscribe and share my page with other people. It helps me out a lot, and the likes make me very happy. So today we're going to be talking about my most popular slides. When I share these, there is a whole lot of love coming my way, so I love making them. I have really drastically run out of really good slides that are kindergarten appropriate. I'm pretty picky about what I think is appropriate and what I do not. I always talk about anything in the slides first that might cause controversy or thoughts with the kids, so that they're well prepared. So when I'm doing one of these slides, we come in, and what we do is we talk about making predictions and making connections and what does that mean, and then we start playing the slide. So if we're going to play this one, we would click on it. There it comes. Okay, and I'm going to share it with the kids. Okay, if you know the time, so I know 55 and 307, so I'm going to make it big, and I'm going to remember 55 and 307. We all start watching the video. Sometimes I will skip through this. Well, today I definitely will, because you don't need to see the whole video. So we start playing and we watch it with the kids. Keeping an eye on the timer. This video is super cute. And we're just going to then watch for that 55 to come up. And we stop. And then we talk about it. And I say, okay, does this remind you guys of anything? And they'll answer, okay, has anything like this happened to you? Does it seem similar to anything else you've seen? If we're talking about connections, obviously, if we're talking about predictions that day, we might say something like, okay, what do you think is going to happen now? Oh, why do you think that's going to happen? Because remember, with a prediction, you always have to know why you think. And then if they're not quite getting the prediction thing, I say, okay, guess. Give me a guess. What could happen now? And then they will go on through that and different things that'll happen. Always make sure to talk to the kids about how there isn't any right or wrong with predictions and guesses and connections. It doesn't matter if what you guessed or what you predicted is what happens in the story or in the video. It is that what you guessed and what you predicted makes sense and could have happened, because sometimes the author's idea of what should happen is different than your idea, and that's okay, because you would make different things. Okay, and then we would keep watching the video. Okay, we're going to go back and watch again. I'm always looking at the kids down my sidebar to see if there's anything that is they're like dumping up or down or need a pause or something's going on. Okay, and we'll skip ahead. This is super cute. Sorry for those of you who want to watch it. Go get my slides or go up to In a Heartbeat and find it, because it's awesome. And then you're going to keep watching, keep talking to the kids. And sometimes when something, sad is coming up, you're going to want to talk about that as well. So this is why the stop is here. You might pause and say, okay, what is he feeling? Why do you think he's feeling that? Have you ever felt like this before? Oh, okay. What could happen to make him, if you were this boy, what would you want to happen to make you feel better? So you're really diving into those connections. For this, you really have to watch these videos, right? You can't just trust me and stop. You have to know what's happening in the videos to really talk to the kids about them. So you have to prep yourself. Okay. And then we'd watch through the rest of the video. And it's one of the most fun things I ever do in my classroom. All right. I hope that was helpful. There's some questions on the side if you're not sure where to start. And I hope you try them out with your class. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.